This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. Chock the left-hand rear wheel. Using the anti-theft nut adapter where necessary, slacken the driver's side road wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill. Raise the front of the vehicle until the right-hand wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the chassis. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the road wheel. The auxiliary drive belt is fitted to the driver's end of the engine. Undo the 2 screws and remove the drive belt lower cover. Use a spanner or socket on the pulley bolt. Rotate the crankshaft clockwise, then twist the belt between the pulleys and inspect it for damage, cracking or signs of slippage. On 1.6 litre models with air conditioning, rotate the tensioner pulley anti-clockwise and slip the drive belt from the pulleys. Note how the drive belt is routed around the various pulleys. This is for the 1.6 litre engine with air conditioning. Manoeuvre the new drive belt into place around the pulleys, then rotate the tensioner anti-clockwise again and fit the belt around the crankshaft pulley. Ensure the ribs of the drive belt are correctly located in the grooves of the various pulleys. Refit the drive belt lower cover and secure it with the 2 retaining screws. Locate the road wheel over the studs, then fit, and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.